Hi guys, welcome to my channel Braga Art. And in this video, I shout out to Ima Sawaires. And I want to say thank you to all my fans and always support my channel. Okay, go to the video. Okay, in this video, I collect many 3D art painting on the road and painting in the house for play, for like a art box. And this guys, he painting many cycle. And what is he doing? What is he painting? Okay, waiting to see. He painting very artistic, so amazing. Oh, many cycle. Wow. He's so amazing. Like a wind. Oh my god. Oh wow. This is like a whirlwind. Oh. After he painting, he clean the water because how many people through this way. And it's the videos he painting another art on the road, different place and different art. She drawing. Wow, that's nice. What is it? Very nice art. What do you think? Wow, cute. Okay, next the videos is cycle. Add the colors. Very nice. It's so amazing. Wow. What is it? Oh. Looks so funny. It's next. New painting. Black pen. And after he painting like a step. Nice color. Wow, you can see it, how to painting and how to add the color. Yes, So amazing, like real. Oh my god, looks so real. He make a art box in his house. Oh my god. He is real artistic. Okay, the next videos. He painting another place. Always he painting like cycle. For prank the people that through this way. But don't worry about it. After he painting and he always clean with the water. Nice guy. It is perfectly 3D art. Oh wow, many snake. He painting many snake and different color. It's so amazing. And the colors cute. And after he add the color, he painting detail of snake for looks so real. Wow, very nice. Looks so cute. After she wake up, oh my god, she afraid, scared. He's painting another place and different art in his home. Okay, in this video it is finished. Okay, thank you, see you guys, see you next video. Good luck, bye guys.